Were the Spartans the epitome of badassery in human history, Leonidas of Sparta, leading a mere 8,000 warriors against an overwhelming Persian force of 150,000? When Xerxes the Persian king arrogantly demanded, "Just hand over your arms," Leonidas defiantly retorted, "Come and take them." Then there's the tale of King Philip, father of Alexander the Great, on a conquest spree through Greek cities. Sparta, the lone survivor, received a chilling ultimatum: "If I invade Laconia, you will be destroyed, never to rise again." The Spartans, undaunted, simply replied with a single word: "If." And who could forget the Battle of Thermopylae? In the face of a Persian horde so massive that their arrows were said to block out the sunlight, a Spartan named Dionychus offered a response dripping with confidence: "Good, then we shall have our battle in the shade." The Spartans, masters of one-liners and masters of warfare, certainly left an indelible mark on the annals of badassery.